Hi everyone, today we're going to be making strawberry Greek yogurt cake. Let's begin! The ingredients you'll need is 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, then you're going to zest 1 whole lemon. Then you're going to mix it. Set that bowl aside and grab another bowl. In this bowl, you're going to add 1 cup of butter, softened, 2 cups of brown sugar or white sugar. Then you're going to beat it with a beater. Then you're going to grab 3 eggs and add it to the bowl one at a time. So mix and add an egg. Then with the lemon that you just zested, cut it in half and add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and then add it to the batter. Next, you're going to add 8 ounces of yogurt, plain or vanilla, but it has to be Greek yogurt. Then you're going to alternately mix in the flour mixture and then the yogurt until everything is mixed in very well. Next, grab 12 ounces of fresh strawberries and half a cup of all-purpose flour, and you're going to mix both of the ingredients together. And mix it very well. Now I used a bundt pan to bake the cake. You can use whatever cake pan that you have available. Then you're going to bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 60 minutes or until golden brown. While you're waiting for the cake to finish baking, let's make the glaze. So you're going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1 cup of powdered sugar, and you're going to mix it until it gets this glazy look. Then you're going to remove the cake out of the oven and you're going to let it sit for a while to let it cool down. Then you're going to place it on your serving tray. Then pour your glaze on top of the cake. And there you have it. Really easy, right? What kind of cake do you like eating on your birthday? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye guys! Click to subscribe for more awesome recipes, like and share with your friends, and watch more of my yummy, awesome videos.